Hi Trailblazers, I'm Brian Curtis. I'm the principal at Shaw Road, and I'd like to welcome you to the 2021 school year and welcome you to our first ever virtual open house. Pretty safe to say in my 35 years of working in schools, we've never had a start to a school year like this. Probably safe to say that nobody's ever had a start to a school year like this. We're going to make it the best thing we can possibly put out there, and we've been working really hard for a couple of weeks now, actually months, trying to figure out all of the good tools that we can use to get you connected, even though you're not going to be here physically at school. We know that that's not the best situation. At some point we will get through that, and we also know it will not be like this forever. So in the meantime, we have lots of plans, and you're going to be hearing from your teachers just in a short bit, a little glimpse into who they are and what to expect in your grade levels. And then tomorrow morning, bright and early at 8:30, we're going to have you log into that computer, and you're going to join a Teams meeting and start meeting your teacher and your classmates. We are getting going. School starts September 3rd, and then we're going to jump into how your day is going to look, the routines you're going to establish, and then beyond that, with your families, parents, grandparents, guardians, whoever, we're going to start scheduling in the next week or so what we call Smart Start. And those are going to be meetings that you can have individually with your family and your teacher, online, virtual, and they can ask you some questions and get to know you better and help you through this virtual learning that we're going to do. But it all starts by charging up your computer, logging in at 8:30 tomorrow morning, and checking in and seeing what's going on and learning about your new classroom and your new classmates and your teacher. So welcome to the school year. We will get through this, and we know that it's very different for all of us. We will not be perfect all the time, but we will do our absolute best to make sure that things that aren't smooth, we get figured out, and if things aren't working in certain ways, we'll see where we can adjust and make things happen, both for students and parents alike. We will try to be as responsive as we can and get this all delivered to you, and it's a lot. So we appreciate that. We also appreciate that it's a different situation for every family. We'd like to welcome you once again. It's going to be a great school year, and we're going to look back someday and we're going to say this was very unique, and we did get through it, and we will get through it. So it all starts plugging in your computer, charging it up, opening up your computer, logging in tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. So now all you have to do is get a good night's sleep, get up in the morning, plug in, log in, be awesome, and don't forget, wash your hands.
Welcome back, Trailblazers. It's so great to have you back this year. We're having a virtual start to the year, so it's going to look a little bit different. Just wanted to say, I've seen some of you come in and pick up your computers, and it's been such a treat to see you and your parents. We're so looking forward to seeing you online at the beginning of our school year. So since we're starting virtually, we're looking at some of our regular Trailblazer rules that we want you to look at and to apply. So first off, in your virtual classrooms, make sure that you're being respectful and you're logging in on time, you have a workspace that you go to every day. The other one is make sure that you're being responsible. Let everybody have a turn in your virtual classroom. Charge your computer up every night so you're ready to go. Be safe. Make sure that you're using your computer and you're using appropriate technology and the right language in class. And don't forget, be kind. Be polite, encourage others in your classroom, and have a positive mindset. Those mindsets that we've been working on all last year. So I just wanted to welcome you back, Trailblazers. We really missed you. Hope you've had an awesome summer, and we'll see you soon on computer.
Hi Trailblazers, it's Ms. Chromis, your counselor. I hope you all had a wonderful summer, and I want to welcome you back.
Hi second graders, it's Mrs. Barker.
Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Brown, one of the second grade teachers. I can't wait to meet you and learn with you. It's going to be a great year. See you soon.
Hi second graders, I'm Mrs. Engel. I'm so excited to meet you. I can't wait for our first day. See you soon.
Hi
Hi, this is Mrs. Kane, and I can't wait to get this school year started.
Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Myers, and I'm so excited to meet all of you in our virtual classroom on September 3rd.
Hi, second graders. This is Mr. Strand. I'm so excited to start teaching no matter where our classroom is. Can't wait. See you guys soon.
Second graders, the first thing we really want to tell you is that we are so happy that you are in our classes this year. Families, what we really want to share with you is that we wish we could be doing this open house in person more than anything. We wish we could meet you and your kids face to face, but here we are.
Second graders, there's a couple things we want you to know. First of all, Schoology will be the place that you'll access Clever and all the fun things there. We'll also use Microsoft Teams instead of Zoom several times a day so that we can teach you live. Families, each Friday you and your children will see an update in Schoology from each teacher for the next week.
Second graders, we are learning lots to stay connected and help you stay engaged, and we will always be here for you. Families, we would love all the you can do it encouragement we can get from you to your kids.
Hi friends, we all need to remember to keep a positive attitude. We are going to make this unique teaching experience the best that it can be. Parents, please keep the communication flowing. Reach out to any of us and let us know what we can do to help. Thank you.
Second graders, as we start this new school year online, know that there will be technology issues sometimes, but we will get through it together. We have spent a week learning all kinds of new things to help make this as smooth as possible, and our trainers kept reminding us of having patience and grace with this process. So we would hope that you would grant us patience and grace as we work through this together.
Hey students, make sure you're always prepared for school every day, even if we're working virtually. This includes having the correct supplies out, as well as being on your computer in order to attend your meetings. Families, please consider, if you haven't already, to get a district-issued laptop. These are full of all the stuff that you're going to need and your students will need when it comes to school time. If you haven't picked one up yet, please contact the office. Thank you.